Hi friends, in this session we are going to learn how to write a simple guessing game using C programming language. This is basically to demonstrate the random number functionality. So let me open a C file. The program will present 5 fruits and checks how many guesses a user makes to choose the right fruit. So I'm writing the basic skeleton, include stdio.h and the main function which returns an integer. Here I'm taking a few variables, int guess, count, random. I'm initializing this variable with a random number. Rand function generates a random number. So let us check what kind of random number this is generating. Random number is %t random. So in order to use this function, rand function, we have to include a header called stdlib.h, standard library. So I am saving this file and let us compile it. Fruit.c, output file fruit.exe, and I am executing it. So this is generating a random number 41. So let me run it again. So again 41. So again 41. Each time it is generating 41, but we do not want to generate the same number each time it runs. So for that there is another function in std library called srand. So we have to give some unique number here. Time function returns the number of seconds elapsed since the year 1900. Number of seconds elapsed keeps changing every second, right? But to use this function we have to include another library called include time.h. So let us execute and see again. I'm saving it. I'm compiling it again. So this time it has given a different number 17545. Let me run again. 17564, 17574, 591. So it is giving a different number each time. Alright. So this is what we want. Then what we need, we want to generate a number which is 1 to 5, because we want to present 5 fruits to the user. We want to generate a number between 1 to 5. So now what I'm doing, I'm taking the remainder by dividing this random number by 5. If I divide the random number by 5, what will be the remainder? Whether it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. It cannot be 5 or more, right? So it will be 0 to 4. But what we need? 1 to 5. So I am just adding one number. So it will always generate a random number between 1 to 5. So let us execute and see. So I am compiling it again. Here, now random number is 4. I am running it again. 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, like this. So it is a random number. Each time it is generating a different number and the number is between 1 to 5. Let us present some fruit names to the user. I am printing a message to the user. Guess the magic fruit from below. 1 mango, 2 guava, 3 sapota, 4 papaya, 5 grape, and choose 1 to 5. So choose one of the fruits. We are already generating a random number between 1 to 5. And the user has to choose which one is that number. So I'm reading the numbers. Can %t ampersand guess. This will read a number from the user and store it in the variable called guess. So we need to compare if guess not equal to random. If the number guessed is not equal to the random number generated, then print a message. You did not guess correctly, press a key to continue. If the number guessed is not equal to random, it should print a message, you did not guess correctly, press a key to continue, and it should go back again and present these numbers, right? So for that purpose, what we should do, we should put them in a loop. So I am using a while loop, while random not equal to guess, or guess not equal to random. So anything is fine. Here the guess we did not initialize, right? So I am initializing with 0. Random will be 1 to 5 and guess is 0. It is not matching. So it will execute this loop, and then here we are closing the loop. So as long as the random not equal to guess, this loop keeps running. Means it will present the list of fruits and ask the user to choose the right one, and it will take the guess, and if it is not matching, it will print a message and it will go back. If it is matching, this condition will return false and it will come out of the loop, right? So we have to print. So once it is out of the loop, means it is matching, right? So we have to print you guessed correctly. But here it also has to print how many guesses the user has made. So for that we have taken a variable called count. Let me initialize with 0, and we need to increment it each time the user guesses. So I am incrementing here. So here the user is guessing, right? Each time user guesses, I am incrementing so that this count will have number of guesses. So we have to print you guessed correctly in percentage d guesses. Here I am giving count. So let me execute and see. Compiling it again. So it is presenting guess the magic fruit from below. So I am giving 1. You did not guess correctly. Press a key to continue. Again, guess the magic fruit from below. I am giving number 2. Again, it is giving the same message. You did not guess correctly. I am giving 3. Again, it says you did not guess correctly and presenting the user with the list. Then I am giving 4. And now it says you guessed it correctly in 4 guesses. Here, the output is very confusing, right? So let us make it clear. Here each time before presenting the user with the list of fruits, I want to clear the screen. System, I am running the CLS command because this is Windows. If this is a Unix, you have to use clear. So it clears the screen and presents. Also, after printing this, so let me use getch so that it will wait for the user to press a key. Otherwise, it will just print and then clears the screen. So we will not even see this message. So it has to wait for the user to press a key, and this will clear the screen and present the user with the list. In order to use this getch function, we have to include console.io.h. So let us run and see. So I am compiling it again. I am running it. So it clears the screen and present. Guess the magic fruit from below. And I am giving 2. You did not guess correctly. Press a key to continue. It will wait for the user to press a key. I am pressing again. Then guess the magic fruit. This time I am giving 1. You did not guess correctly. Again. This time I am giving 4. Again it says you did not guess. This time I am giving 5. So it says you guessed it correctly in 4 guesses, right? So this is about the guessing game using random number functionality. So we used stdlib.h to use the functions like rand, srand, system, and we used time.h for using this time function, and we used conio.h for using the getch function, and we used a loop, while loop, which will run as long as the random number not matching guess. The moment guess and random number is correct, so this will become false. It will come out of the loop and says you guessed it correctly in so many number of guesses. So this is a simple game using a C programming language. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to press the bell icon. Otherwise, you will not get notifications. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Also, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please ask me in the comments below. Thank you so much.